Welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Today we will learn capital ABC from A to Z with colors. Orange color, blue color, pink color, brown color, purple color, blue color, red color, green color, yellow color. Let's learn. A, B, C, C, D, B, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, 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 W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe.